Hello, we saw what the for loop was. In this course, we will see what a while loop is. We will see an example of this kind of loop and compare it to a for loop. We will go here and type in count equals to 1, while between parentheses count is different from 6. And we display count value is plus count and count plus plus. Here, just like with the for loop, it is an initialization. It is an expression that initializes the loop. It declares and assigns an iterator. Here it is the terminal, an expression that is estimated before each loop execution. If it is estimated as false, the loop stops. Here it is an increase by increments. It is an expression that is estimated each time an iteration is done. Now we will run the code. As we can see here, it is from 1 to 5 because it is different from 6. If it was different from 7, it would have been from 1 to 6. And now we will see how we can do it with the for loop. So for between parentheses count equals to 1, semicolon, count is different from 6, semicolon, count plus plus. And then we display what I will type. Now we run the program again, but first we will put a sentence in order to distinguish both. And finally we run the program. And as we can see, it is exactly the same. It was all for this video. As you could see, it wasn't that complicated to understand. In the next video, we will see what do while is. And it really looks like while. See you next time.